How to add contacts on WhatsApp web. The first things first, and make sure that you're currently logged into your WhatsApp web. To log in, all you have to do is just link between device from your laptop to your phone using a QR code. Now, just simply access any of your web browser and then just create a new tab and then go to the Chrome Web Store. Now we are going to download a third-party application or an extension for this method to work. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is look for InTouch app. Now choose on InTouch app, phone contacts, and data saver. Now you'll have to download both ways. You download or add this extension to your Google Chrome and then download it also on your mobile phone on the Google Play Store. So let's just add this to Chrome, add extension. Now once the extension is added, just go ahead and head back to your WhatsApp web, refresh the page. Now, after refreshing the page, once you already set up your InTouch application from your mobile device, you will actually see a plus button right here, which is actually similar to this one. This is actually a create a new chat. So it's going to be here, just click on that and then just simply add the mobile number or add the WhatsApp account number that you would like to be added to your contact list and you should good to be go. So that's how you add contacts on WhatsApp web.